Pre-game with Jeff Dagen. The Iceman is in the house. And so it begins. Iceman, Nails, and Funk 29.
Funk 29, is that what you were?
Georgia to Maine, 1998. Okay, Iceman just dropped us off. We just crossed the Pennsylvania line. We're at Penmar Park, got the view right behind us. Nails is there, tying his shoes. It's midnight. Lord willing, we'll be done by 18 hours from now. Any comments, Nails?
Nope, looking forward to finishing this out.
Let's get her done.
Let's get her done.
Hopefully the rain will hold off. If the rain hits heavy and hard, it might be type 3 fun real quick. Okay, we got 6 miles in the bag. Iceman's meeting us at, what is this, Iceman?
Raven Rock Road.
Raven Rock Road. Nails is coming off the trail, although he might not stick with Nails as a trail name. We're getting a little bit of rain. Hopefully it holds off. Quick turnaround. Refilled our waters. This next stretch is about 3 miles to Wolfsville Road. Sorry you can't see anything. It's dark here. Yeah, we're feeling good. Hoping the rain holds off. Stay tuned. 4:10 a.m. How far are we? Almost 11 miles in?
Yeah, something like that, yeah. Rain started?
The rain started. Bring on. Yeah.
Bring it on.
It's officially type 3 fun. So our next section is
about 8.5 miles.
8.5 miles till Iceman picks us up. And
I'm not gonna pick you up, I'm gonna meet you.
Meet us till Iceman meets us. And we're over halfway done hiking at night, which is sort of a psychological high point.
Yeah.
Should be daylight next time we see Iceman. Spirits are high. We just had some deer bologna and cheese and refueled, rebatteried, put some layers on. We'll catch up with you in a few. So it's finally daylight. It's about 7 a.m. We are at, I think, about mile marker 17 or 18, somewhere in there. So feels good to have the sun up. The rain comes and goes, which is what it is. But we're coming down off of the mountain. And looking forward to eating food. We're definitely hungry, and one of the challenges is keeping food. We got some roast beef sandwich with Colby Jack cheese and sliced pickles, seasoned pretzels, and some yogurt. Feeling good. Feeling good. Who asked for this cold, wet, rainy weather? About to launch out again. About 5 miles till Iceman's gonna pick us up. Stay tuned. So we are at the unofficial halfway point. It took us 9 hours to get to the halfway point, and it's only 9 a.m. So it'll be exciting to see how the next couple miles go. Original Washington's Monument. The day is going pretty well. We're at mile marker 23 and a half. This next section is about just over 7 miles till we meet up with Iceman. And when we get there, that will be a personal record for me. I've never hiked 30 miles in one day. When I thru hiked the Appalachian Trail in 1998, I hiked many 28 and 29 miles days back to back. In fact, I was at the halfway mark in 60 days. It's a pretty quick time for 1998. Anyway, a lot of high mile days, never broke the 30 mile marker. And at this next spot where David meets up with us, Iceman meets up with us, we will have crossed the 30 mile marker in one day, so stay tuned. The rain continues. It's still chilly, so we sort of huddle, and believe it or not, it's chilly. It looks green in the video, but we huddle in the van at our breaks, eat lots of calories, drink lots of water, and then warm up and then head back out. So it's getting a little warmer now that the sun's up. 27 and a half miles. It's noon. We're at White Rocks. See the view of the valley. Just got through a lot of heavy rain. And it looks like it's gonna break for a little bit. Soaking wet, feet are soaking wet. Poncho's working well, but yeah, dry off these socks and when we hit the 30 mile mark, should be in about 2.5 miles. Last six miles before we get into Harper's Ferry. Thankfully the rain has stopped for a little bit. We have dry feet, but I think we're starting to get tired. Jeff has blisters, which is serious, but we're both pretty fatigued, so any one thing could take either one of us out of the challenge. But hopefully when we get down, cover these next 3 miles, the 3 miles into Harper's Ferry is on the C&O Canal. C&O towpath. Anyway, it's flat, an old towpath bed, so maybe we can ditch our packs and run there. It's around 3 o'clock, just before 3, and we've got 9 miles left maximum. So Jeff and I are about 3 miles from Harper's Ferry. We're gonna try to trail run it in. Jeff is in a lot of pain with some blisters, so.
Embrace the suck.
The philosophy is if you just pound the pain harder, you won't feel it.
It goes away.
Yeah, it just goes away. So we'll see if either of us can make running the whole way at this point. I think we're at 38 miles, 39 miles.
38 miles.
38 miles, so we'll see. Coming into Harper's Ferry. Well, we made it to Harper's Ferry, down to our last 3.5 miles, allegedly. Time will tell. There's Iceman. Getting close. You can taste it. You say, Jeff Dagen?
I'm at a loss for words.
We made it. Finally. 44.5 miles. We still have to get off this mountain. It's raining cats and dogs. Let's take a victory photo and get out of here.